This evening's activity brings to me a unique sense of warmth and camaraderie as we are here to signify to the public our intention to honor the evolving story of the People's National Party as we mark the attainment of our 75th anniversary. Of course, whereas we have just, as a Commonwealth, celebrated Her Majesty's Diamond Jubilee, marking her 60th year on the throne of England, the 75th anniversary of an organization is also called the Diamond Jubilee. We believe that this Diamond Jubilee of our party's formation is replete with milestones that are synonymous with the development of our people, this country, the Caribbean region, and indeed the wider world. To properly observe these milestones and the ongoing contribution of the party to our country's development, a 75th anniversary committee has been formed. That committee is co-chaired by Comrade Simpson Miller and Comrade Patterson. And at these proceedings, both will go into further details on our plans to commemorate our diamond anniversary.